You start out in 1954 by saying nigger, nigger, nigger. By 1968, you can't say nigger. That hurts you, backfire. So you say stuff like forced busing, states' rights, and all that stuff. And you get so abstract now. You're talking about cutting taxes and all of these things you're talking about are totally economic things, and the byproduct of them is blacks get hurt worse than whites. And subconsciously, maybe that is part of it. I'm not saying that, but I'm saying that if it is getting that abstract and that coded, that we're doing away with the racial problem one way or the other. You follow me? Because obviously sitting around saying we want to cut taxes, we want to cut this, and we want is much more abstract than even the busing thing. And a hell of a lot more abstract than nigger, you know. So any way you look at it, race is coming on the back burner.
The trail extends through 14 states. She has used 127 names so far, posed as a mother of 14 children at one time, 7 at another, signed up twice with the same caseworker in 4 days, and once while on welfare posed as an open-heart surgeon, complete with office.
They are not just gangs of kids anymore. They are often the kinds of kids that are called super predators. No conscience, no empathy.
And we have to stop the violence. We have to bring back law and order. In a place like Chicago, where thousands of people have been killed, thousands over the last number of years. In fact, almost 4,000 have been killed since Barack Obama became president. Almost 4,000 people in Chicago have been killed. We have to bring back law and order. Now, whether or not in a place like Chicago, we have gangs roaming the street. And in many cases, they're illegally here, illegal immigrants. And they have guns, and they shoot people. And we have to be very strong, and we have to be very vigilant. We have to know what we're doing. We have to have strong borders. We have to keep the drugs out of our country. Right now, we're getting the drugs, they're getting the cash. We need strong borders, but we have some bad hombres here, and we're going to get them out.